Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Here is Aisha Nazir. So I'm showing you one thing. As you can see, this is the beautiful design of a page. This is a website, my client's website, and it's a beautiful design I'm having on that page. There is a picture in the background and you can see the objects moving on it, right? And this is another section of the page that has a single color at the background. This is another section on which you can see there is an image on the background, and when we move, the objects are moving, and the background image, it shows the full background image while the objects are moving on it, right? So how we can create this movable objects on the background image? This looks very beautiful and makes your website very elegant. So let's get started. So first we will go to the dashboard, and here we will create a new page. And we will give the name as dummy page, right? So, okay, to create this design you need Elementor. I'm having Elementor and Elementor Pro. So we will go to create the design in Elementor. It's taking a little bit time because there is internet speed is a little bit slow. So here is the page. First we will do one thing, that we will change the format, the page layout. So we want page, this is the page layout, and I want Elementor full width. Okay. In this way the sidebar will be removed and a full page will be viewed by the viewers. So in this way, as you can see that, okay, I want to add a new section. So I just created a new section, and what I will do, I will just simply another section in it. Like what I will do, I will just click on that, and this is the section, inner section. But before including that inner section, what we will do, that we will insert an image in the background of that section, right? So we will go in the style, and here is the background overlay. So just click on that, and in the I want the background type is classic, and I want the image. So let's choose the image. For example, I want this image in the background. So insert media. This is the image. The image is shown, but the size of the section is so small, there is no any element on that section, so that's why it's not shown on that. So what we will do, that we will create another inner section in it. We want another inner section in it. So what I will do, just simply plus and the inner section. For example, I want two inner sections. This is the two inner sections, right? Okay, on this part I want some text. This is an image. Okay. So what we will do, I will place text editor on that side. Now this section contains the image and this section contains the text, and you can see that the image is automatically, the background and the section becomes bigger automatically, right? So what we will do, we can place an image in it. For example, any dummy image like this. Okay. After that, this section, and first of all what we will do, we will select A and R. There is another option. We will go in the typography and we text size according to the image. Okay, we can do one more thing. This is the large size and we can make it medium, 300 by 300, right? And this is the same size like the text, or we can reduce the text size to a little bit smaller. More, and in the central line, or it's justified. Fine. Okay. In the other section, what we will do again, we will place another image in it. Like here, this is the image, and what we will do, we will place another image on it. For example, this one. we will place the text over here. This is the text editor, and again I will enlarge the size of the text. It becomes bigger. Okay, fine, just fine, right? Okay, now you can see the background, right? But the background is not visible, right? The image we choose and the background is displaying, it's different, right? So what we will do that, we will go to the section settings, just click on the section, and here is the background overlay where we will go first, and this was the image. So what we will we will do simply that we will give it the position center, because we want that the image will show in the center, not on the right side, not on the left side, center left, center right, top center, top left. There are multiple options, you can choose any one from there, but I choose the center. After that, the attachment, you want the image fixed, scrolling, or image again coming again and again, or for example this is the scroll option and this is the fixed option. Now as you can see that the image becomes going to be fit in the section width, in the section borders. Okay, after that, do you want to repeat? No, I don't want to repeat the section. So after that, size, what do you want? Auto, this is the auto size. After that, I want cover, because the cover makes pictures more beautiful and adjustable inside the section. Or whatever, if I use the contain means it will leave the white parts on the both sides. And what about the custom, if you want to change according to the width and according all these information, right? So as you can see that now the section looks more beautiful. Okay, what I will do, I will make it cover, right? Now as you can see that the full image is showing. Okay, and I will update it. One more thing, we can make the background darker or lighter. So if you choose the black color, and here is the opacity, means how much background you want to be white and how much background you want to be black. For example, I want little bit more bright colors, little bit more bright. But what happened that I am unable to see my text. So what I will do, I will just simply go there in the text section. Oops. Where is the text section? Here it is. This is the text section. Okay. So I will just simply go into the content area and Control A for selecting the entire text and then change the color of it. For example, white, no, it's not visible. Blue, yes, it's visible. Or you can change it according to your color or theme or whatever you are using. No, it's not visible. Or yellow, oh, it's very eye-catching, and red, right? And in the same way, I can change the color of that text too. So go to the content, again, select all, and change the color right. Now, as you can see that, this is the end results, right? The image in the background, the full image is shown. As you can see, when I move the cursor up or I move the cursor down, you can see the full image. And this makes your web page so much beautiful and elegant and looks a professional look to your website. Right? You can change colors accordingly. This looks a little bit more clumsy. So what if we choose select A again, black color? Nice. Okay. And if we choose here again A and black color, it's not visible, so what if I change it to white? Yes, this white section, this black section, and these are the two images, and at the background there is another image we have, which makes our page more elegant and more beautiful. Thank you so much.